मैंने सुना टीवी पे बहुत कुछ कर रहे हैं वो, और जो सिंपल बात ये है, मैच ख़त्म हुआ था, मेरे 30 बच्चे और उनके दोस्त लड़के लड़कियां मैच देखने गए थे। तो मैं स्टेडियम में नहीं था। मैंने फ़ोन इसलिए किया क्योंकि मैं उन बच्चों को फ़ोन किया कि मैं उनको पिक करने के लिए आ रहा हूँ। मैं पिक करने जब तक गया, स्टेडियम ऑब्वियसली खाली हो चुका था। तो पहले मैं चेंजिंग रूम में गया, लड़कों को बधाई दी मैच जीतने की, और फिर मैंने ऊपर से देखा कि वहाँ पे कुछ ऑफिशियल्स थे। अब मुझे पता नहीं वो कौन से डिपार्टमेंट के हैं स्टेडियम में, वो बच्चों को मैन हैंडल कर रहे थे। गुस्से में कहीं ना कहीं कुछ तो कहा होगा, लेकिन वो लोग भी बहुत बदतमीजी से बातें कर रहे थे, और मैं अकेला था। तो वो कुछ 20-25 उनके ऑफिशियल्स थे। एक थे छोटे से साहब जो ऐनक पहने हुए थे, तो वो बहुत बदतमीजी से गालियाँ दे रहे थे। और जब मैं उनको एक्चुअली पकड़ने के लिए गया तो वो इन बाकी सबके पीछे छुप गए। आई मीन, टू बी रियली ऑनेस्ट, आई एम नॉट ट्राइंग टू शो ऑफ. I just going to pick up my children. I think we know what good behavior in public is, but I don't think that gentleman should have spoken to me like that at all. And that's completely unpardonable as far as I'm concerned. I think IPL के भी कुछ officials थे, तो उनमें से किसी ने मुझे कुछ कहा कि यार वो we will call the head here. I said, yeah, please call the head here and tell them not to speak to me like this.
तो क्या आप माफी मांगेंगे BCCI से?
No, I think they should apologize to me for behaving the way they behave. I don't think they're extremely high-handed. I don't think I'm a member there already. And personally, if this is the kind of behavior that is meted out to people at their stadium, I personally would not like to go myself. So I don't know about this ban and stuff. Let them decide, because I think there is this extreme attitude of high-attitudiness, high-handedness when it comes to behaving. And all of them, you know, there were more people than you are right now who are rushing at me and aggressively. And I'm extremely disturbed that they should manhandle children in the name of security. I mean, what? They're little kids. We attend matches. They were leaving the stadium, and there is no right to touch little girls who are not even 13 years old physically. And I think that is completely unpardonable.
शाहरुख, आपने विलास देशमुख से बात की फोन पर?
नहीं, मैंने उनसे बात नहीं की है, और मैं करूँगा। मैं उनको पर्सनली जानता हूँ. I will give him a call and I'll explain my side to him. And I would really actually, you know, they're talking about complaints, etc. I think I should write a written complaint on the behavior they meted out and the language they spoke. And I don't think it's, I don't even want to repeat it, because I think it's a very small way to think in today's time and age in our country what this is. I have no clarification to give. My only clarification is that I think they should look into their association and know how to behave. I don't know what it means they're doing कानूनी कार्रवाई. तो वो जो करेंगे तो हमारे लॉयर्स उसको फाइट कर. I don't know how this goes. Sorry, they were misbehaving. They were not nice to little kids and physically manhandled them. And I don't think that is pardonable. And if they think that my behavior is wrong, if somebody touches children who are with me, I completely disagree with it. I think my behavior is completely correct. And if somebody was to manhandle or physically look at my children or the children that I have taken the responsibility to go for a match, I would still do the same thing.
आप अधिक जानकारी के लिए कंज्यूमर वॉइस मैगजीन को भी सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं. फॉर सब्सक्रिप्शन कॉन्टैक्ट 01147331014 या फिर ईमेल करें subscription@consumer-voice.org पर.